Hey, welcome. And now we're going to be able to generate a unique ID for the uploaded images. And remember, the ID is going to serve as the name of the file. Now, in order to easily do this, we are going to be using a package. And this package will help us to generate a unique ID, which is going to serve as the file name. Now to do this, what we have to do is to head up to our browser and head up to pub.dev, and over here we are going to search for a package known as UUid. So by using this package, it will help us to generate a unique ID. And this is it over here, UUid. And now we have to copy this code and back to VS Code and scroll down to where we have the prospect.yml file and Hadios. And currently I have that already, and the reason is because I added it behind the scene. So do well to add yours and get your package, or use Ctrl and S to save, which will automatically get the package. Now back to the images tab screen, and Ctrl and B to make this wide. Now we can get rid of this, and then we can use the package we just recently installed, UUid, UUid, we call it, then .v4. So by doing this, it will automatically generate a unique ID for us. If yours can't see this, probably it might have not yet installed. So do what to stop your app from running and restart, or probably you can stop your editor and restart, or you can just go ahead and run Flutter clean, then Flutter pub get. And this will work as we expect. So really, I do not need to test this out. You can just go ahead and upload some images over there, and it's gonna work as we expect.